tanker, for example, distribution. What else have I been doing? The container truck. Also, there might be another type of truck in the future for me. We'll see. I might be a, vacation driver for a couple of weeks this summer. Nothing is fully decided yet, but I'm hoping for the best. Also, I want to thank all of you who had joined me on my live stream yesterday from my garden. I was doing a short live stream before work where I was, I have bunnies. I have 3 bunnies. I have them outside in a little pasture. I had to move them around for new and fresh grass. They are very effective lawnmowers, actually, the bunnies. So I was just live streaming it at that, basically. And it took about twice the time, I think, since I was talking to the awesome people in the chat all the time. Such a simple thing give me so much more fun when you live stream. It's amazing. So what else? The weather is nice. It's 13 degrees outside. It's 8:30 something, so it's kind of chill morning. So it's like in the summer, Sweden is really showing its full potential. And people don't like that, but they can drive around though, so it's not like the end of the world, but people still think it is, so I'd rather not if I can choose. So yeah, we're just gonna check and see.
Så den har ju liksom...
Ja, det är.
Det där är ju riggat, det är inget snack om.
Nej, men vad hör man? Eller är det vad han riktade mot?
Ja, jag flyttar lite på nu, för jag går vända på och kollar om han var igång eller om han var så trasig eller vad. Det ser ut som han är igång, men jag bara har bokstäver så här. Så leta efter vet du vad tar vägen. Ja, den är igång lite. Den har gått i 7 minuter. Ja, 6:41. Tja! Ja, är det din kamera?
Ja,
jag plockar bort den. Ja, vad är det du filmar då?
När jag backar in.
Ja, det är du som filmar och backar in.
Ja, precis.
Ja, men då så. Vi bara undrar var de filmade så inte de fan.
Ja, nej. Jag gör YouTube-videos.
Ja, det är det du gör. Ja. Förlåt om vi störde då.
Ja, nej, det är bra. in the middle of the sun. And the air is basically standing still today, so it feels really warm. You can tell summer is here, which is freaking amazing. So we're gonna go back with the trailer. The trailer is completely full. They even had more stuff, but we couldn't fit it in the trailer. It's so full. So it's gonna be another delivery on Monday. And we'll see if I'll be the driver or if somebody else gonna do it. Really hope it's gonna be me, because it's I like driving a trailer. It feels like my true element. I've said it so many times before, but so yeah, that's a perfect loading/unloading place. The people working there are freaking amazing. They're always in a good mood and helpful and cheerful. It's like, what more can you ask? So now we're just gonna wait and see if I'm the one who's gonna be unloading the trailer or if somebody else is gonna be doing that, because I'm gonna get another drive in this afternoon. It's almost 12 now, midday. I think it's in about 1.5 hours. I'm gonna drive some other stuff with another truck, tinier truck than this. So yeah, I don't know if I have time to unload this. It's like, I don't remember when I did drive a 24-meter truck last time. It's been a while now. Wow. I think it was with the black Scania and the Dolly Plus trailer. You might have seen that video or those videos. I did a few, I think. But that was 25 meters. I don't know what that was. That's a really long combination. Feels like the longest vehicle I have driven. So other than that, I'm feeling really good. Did some gaming yesterday and some film editing. Yeah, took some walks with the dogs, and I took a turn with a longboard actually. I haven't ridden the longboard since the move to the new house. It felt like it's like driving. You know how it works even if you haven't done it in a long time. But you're kind of shaky. And that's the case. That was the case yesterday. I was out for maybe 30 minutes or something, but I could feel it in my entire body. It's like, what is going on? My muscles were screaming. Like, what are you doing? I've actually been riding skateboards and longboards since I was like 7, I think. I was that kid. I was the girl on the skateboard. I think we had one other girl in class who had a skateboard, but that was it. And she was only doing it to be with me, I think. Damn. I wonder what she's up today. She's definitely not a truck driver though. Yeah, I've been moving around a lot in my life. And sometimes I wonder who I would have been if I hadn't had my background and childhood. I don't think I would be a truck driver if I would have stayed in my like childhood hood. Would probably have done something similar to the others. More typical job, I think. I had a really rough path. It's like, what do I want to be? And I finally became a truck driver, and I couldn't be happier actually. I really like driving big trucks. It's a really fun job. I think it suits me well. Clutch is a bit lighter than the Scania, obviously. Like, it's really hard to get the engine stop with a heavy truck, but smaller trucks, I tend to get a trailer. It's time for second gear. So hi guys, I have been delivering some food for the elderlies, and the trailer has been unloaded by my colleague. Right now it's Friday. I'm gonna check out. I'm gonna go to the store and get some something to drink and something to grill, because I've been invited to a barbecue party. It's like it's perfect weather. So under Corona, so we're gonna have a barbecue with distance. It's important. Not too many people. Remember, wash your hands. But yeah, it's gonna be really nice. It's my friend. She lives on a little farm, kinda. They have horses and cows and sheep and so many lambs. They're freaking adorable lambs. Yeah, and a dog. Cats. Not sure how many. And I'm gonna bring Viggo and Alfie, and it's gonna be really nice to see. I brought Alfie the last time we were there, and he was behaving superbly. Everyone was asking, can I bring him home? But this time I'm gonna bring Viggo, and we're gonna see how that works out with her dog. It's a Rhodesian Ridgeback, and they're both kind of high energy dogs, so it's gonna be nice. Hope it's gonna turn out well. Hopefully they'll both sleep well tonight after today. So yeah, this has been it. Thank you guys for watching. It has been super fun. Have a great weekend. Bye!